use properties of triangles and right angles. So what do we know? Well, we know a triangle is a three-sided figure, and the sum of the interior angles of a triangle are always 180 degrees. So if I would say this is x, this is y, and this is z, then x plus y plus z will always be 180 degrees. Always. Okay, so knowing that, the measures of two angles in a triangle are 78 degrees and 46 degrees. What is the measure of the third angle? Okay, so if we just think about this, let's just say this one is 78, this one is 46, this is our unknown. Well, I know that all three together is 180. Okay, well, what are these two? If I take 78 plus 46, I get 124. Okay, so if I then take, well, the total is 180, and I subtract 24, I get 56. So our third angle is 56 degrees. Let's say we have a right isosceles triangle. Okay, stop. What does that mean? Well, a right triangle means we have a right angle. Isosceles means two sides are the same. Okay, so this is my right isosceles triangle. When you put these markings in, it means these two angles are the same length. All right, so what are the measures of the three angles? Well, we know that the right angle is 90 degrees, right? Because that's the definition of a right angle. The other two, well, since we have an isosceles triangle, that means these two sides are the same. That also means the opposite angles are the same. So these two angles are equal. And if we know that all three of them, let's just say both of these are x, since we know they're the same value, we know that x, and 90 are equal to 180, right? Because 180 is the total. Well, if I take away the 90 degrees of my right angle, that means the other two have to add to be 90. So if I divide that by 2, that means each of my other angles is going to be 45 degrees. So my three angles are 45 degrees, and 90 degrees.